Lunar New Year is all about new beginnings and welcoming good luck for the year ahead. One of the most recognizable traditions during Lunar New Year is the giving of red envelopes. They're typically filled with money and gifted as a symbol of prosperity and well wishes. The color red itself holds special meaning. It represents joy, happiness, and protection, which is why you'll see it everywhere during Lunar New Year celebrations, from decor to clothing to gifts. Today I'm taking these traditional red envelopes and turning them into a simple DIY Lunar New Year lantern using just a few supplies. Here's everything you'll need: 5 red envelopes, scissors and pen, a stapler, a ruler, pre-made tassels, or embroidery floss to DIY one. The large envelopes are the best for this DIY. Start by laying one red envelope flat on your work surface. Using your ruler, mark the center point of each edge, top, bottom, and both sides. Once all 4 edges are marked, use your ruler to align 2 markings at a time and fold the corners inward, creating a clean triangular fold. Repeat this on all 4 corners so the envelope now resembles a diamond shape. You'll want to repeat this same folding process for all 5 red envelopes, making sure they're as identical as possible. Now it's time to assemble the lantern. Take 2 folded envelopes and align their folded corners together. Staple them right up against the fold so they're securely attached. Continue attaching each envelope corner to corner, working your way around to form the top half of the lantern. Before fully closing the top, add a piece of string or ribbon inside. This will be your hanging loop. Once the string is in place, staple the final corners to close the top. Next, repeat the same process for the bottom half of the lantern. As you're closing the bottom, pause before the final staple. This is where you'll add the tassel. Insert your tassel into the center, making sure it sits snugly inside. Staple the final corners together to secure it in place. If needed, you can use a small amount of hot glue to keep the tassel extra secure. To give the lantern its signature look, we're going to add some details to the top. Starting at the top, carefully cut just above the fold, about 3/4 of the way up. Next, take each cut section, separate them, fold the ends towards each other, creating a loop, and staple them together. Repeat this all the way around. Flip the lantern upside down and repeat the exact same process on the bottom, cutting and attaching each ends together. Once finished, your lantern should look something like this, and now your lantern is complete. If you like to make your own tassel, it's very simple. Start with a sturdy piece of cardboard, cut to the length you want your tassel to be. Cut a small piece of string and set it across the top of the cardboard. This will be used to tie the top. Wrap embroidery floss or string around the cardboard multiple times until you reach your desired thickness. Tie the small string on top to hold the tassel together and carefully remove the tassel from the cardboard. Then cut the looped ends at the bottom. Use another small piece of string to tie a neat knot just below the top to form the tassel head. Trim the ends for a clean, polished finish, and your tassel is now ready. I love how this DIY brings together tradition and creativity in such a simple way.
Wishing you a prosperous and joyful Lunar New Year. Gung hei fa choi.